Chapter 3, Part 77. In the days of Sultari Velid, a great merchant came to Konya to visit the tomb of Jalal. He offered many rich gifts to Sultan Velid, making presents also to the disciples. He related to them many anecdotes of adventures encountered by him in his travels, such as the following. He once went to Kish and Bahrain in quest of pearls and rubies. An inhabitant told me, said he, that I should find some in the hands of a certain fisherman. I went to him, and the fisher showed me a chest containing pearls of inestimable value, such as impressed me with astonishment. I asked him how he collected them, and he told me, calling God to witness, that he, his 3 brothers, and his father were formerly poor fishermen. One day they hooked something that gave them immense trouble before they could bring it to land. Now they had found that they captured a Lord of the Waters, also named a marvel of the sea, as it is commonly known. We wondered, said he, what we could do with the beast. We wept for the ill fortune that had brought us such a disappointment. The creature looked at us as we spoke. Suddenly my father cried out, I have it. I will put him on a cart and exhibit him all over the country at a penny a head. Through the miraculous power of him who has endowed man with speech and his creatures with life, the beast broke forth and exclaimed, make me not a staring block in the world, and I will do anything you may wish of me, so as to suffice for you and your children for many years to come. Our father answered, how should I set thee free when thou art so strange and unparalleled a creature? The beast replied, I will make an oath. Our father said, speak, let us hear thy oath. The beast now said, we are of the faith of Muhammad and disciples of the holy Mevlana. By the soul of the Mevlana, the holy Jalaluddin of Rome, I will go and I will return. Our father fainted away with astonishment. I therefore now asked, how hast thou any knowledge of him? The beast replied, we are a nation of 12,000 individuals. We have believed in him, and he frequently showed himself to us at the bottom of the sea, lecturing and sermonizing to us on the divine mysteries of the truth. He brought us to a knowledge of the true faith, so that we continually practice what he taught us. Our father instantly told him he was free. He went back, therefore, into the water and was lost to sight. 2 days later he returned and brought with him innumerable pearls and precious stones. He asked whether he had been true and faithful to his promise, and on expressing our satisfaction on that score, he took an affectionate farewell from us. We were thus raised from the depths of poverty to the pinnacle of wealth. We became merchant princes, and our slaves are the great merchants of the earth. Every dealer who wishes for pearls and rubies comes to us. We are known as the sons of the fishermen. Our father went to Konya and paid his respects to the Mevlana. Through his narrative, I formed the design, now carried into effect, to visit the son of that great saint. This wonderful narrative has been handed down ever since in the mouths of the merchants of Konya. Now, as much as animals can fetch things, what is this symbolic importance? Well, a ruby isn't one of those gems that's pressed and so something through the trials with the sweetness of it, right? And a pearl's like this, the internal effects of trials. Something that happens in stages, one might say.